Resource.
I got it.
Focus, cover me. Focus, cover me. Triple F, go now. Moving. Affirmative now. So do you do massages? Because my arm really hurts.
When I want to relax, I go to Second Life.
Second Life?
Yes?
Can I go with you? Did something change in my room or something?
Okay, guys, let's get started.
FLV and X-Lord will start at position 6.
You okay?